creating a new package. We're going to go to Inventory, Packages, Maintain Packages. Today we're just going to add in a new blank package. We'll do it at LOF. I'm going to select package type and oil changes. I want it to print a label, so I'm going to select oil change label. I also, if it does end up getting declined, I want it to go into the recommendations for the customer. I'm not doing a promotional package, so I'm not going to do the effective date or end date. I'm going to leave the package price and total as fixed price alone. It's not a tire package, so I'm going to leave that alone. I want to look up a couple different things in the oil change package. We want it to look up the viscosity, we want it to look up the capacity, and we want to look up the oil in the oil picker. The first thing I'd like it to look up is the viscosity. And be a little vague in some of these lookups. Sometimes it's not exactly what you think it would be. Next, I want to look up the capacity. And I wanted to choose standard oil. And once we select these, the sequence over here on the left, this is what's going to choose the order which the screens appear. So whatever you want to see first is what's going to be number 0 or 1, wherever you want to start it at. I want to see the viscosity right before I see choose the oil type. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, and once we save it, you'll be able to see it in the order that you save it in. So it'll come up in the list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it may be. I'm not going to charge for viscosity, obviously, or capacity, but oil type. This is where if we're charging for 5 quarts of oil, I'm going to start with 5. Some people use 6 quarts as their standard package price. You'd want to put 6 there then. Whatever our cost is going to be. Now we also need to look up the oil filter. Okay, and then we'll make that next, so that's number 4. And then whatever your cost is going to be for your oil filter. And if you look up the top right under package total, you'll see that right now it's $14.95, the current price that I have programmed in there. Now we're going to add a service because we need to get the oil change labor time. And your code might be different, but you're going to look up your oil change labor, and we'll make that number 5. So we're right now at $19.95 for our total package. You can adjust this to whatever it is you're doing for your package. And next, if you charge a disposal fee, which I would recommend you do, we charge $3. I'm going to also put in here a tire rotation because I want to pull the tires off when we do the oil change. So and we're going to do the tire rotation part for free. Okay, and then if you saw the previous video of the high-level overview of the package screen, this column here calculates, so I can for multi-store use, I'd probably use this depending on what it is. The oil price, sometimes our oil price will be different across markets or across stores. Maybe we have different vendor, maybe we have different promotions. So you can calculate that, and my package price would add up differently depending on what's in the inventory matrix. If I want to charge a different disposal fee for markets, I can calculate that, or maybe it's just the oil change labor. Description. If I'm using the catalog lookup, I probably want to, instead of have it say choose standard oil type, I'm going to want to have it say whatever the catalog says. Of course, when you use the oil change picker, it's going to say what it says in the oil change picker, not that description there. Under oil filter, maybe you have a special description on your inventory file, so we'd want to leave it so it doesn't say that. If you choose yes here, then whatever the catalog says is what it's going to say there. Now, if you're ordering your filters from, or if you download your filters from Big O, it'll say oil filter new or oil filter pack of 12. I change the description, leave that old one, so I know how many I'm ordering when I use the automatic order feature in the system. One of the last things you want to do if multi-store group allowed stores, am I going to allow all stores, or am I just going to set this up for a specific number of stores? In this case, we're just testing it. I'm just going to do all stores, yes, close. And then after that, we're done. I'm just going to click save. LOFT was our name of it. Edit, and you can see our order has changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way we want it. Maybe we want to move this up further, just depending on the order of what you want things to see. But yeah, that's how you created the basic oil change package.